Okay, 8K. What's the 95 amp hour C-Max?
Yeah, everybody got
8K.
But I got some.
So what's that?
Digital sound processor.
Okay. Is that tuning your subs and your mids and highs?
Yeah.
So which 18s are these?
They was originally TANTRIC.
TANTRIC.
Yeah, SHDs. And when I got them, I bought them used and they blew within like 5 minutes of me having them hooked up.
Wow.
So I got Corey Dean with SPL Audio to build me some retones. I retoned them. I ain't got enough power on them. I got an 8K on them right now. But I got two brand new 8K sitting in the back seat.
So you gonna put one on each 18? I mean, yeah. Wow, that's gonna get it done.
Should. Get better.
5 acoustic, it's a 10, right?
Yeah. Everything else is DS18 except for the 210s.
Okay.
Stuff I had laying around.
You familiar with my YouTube?
No, not really. My son was just telling me about it.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure he is then.
Yeah, he is.
Truck is off, y'all. Yeah. Somebody just told me the doggone
It dropped one
volt.
Yeah.
It's not regulating nothing, right? You just
No, it's
dials.
No, it's 15. I got two separate alternators, two
Right.
separate systems, and it's charges at 15.4.
Okay.
And hell, it's not running.
Okay. That's what's up.
But I got an external regulator on it. I can control where it charges to.
Okay.
That means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. Now she say shit. Now see, Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. With the club, since you party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, on me, drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months. One bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals. Bitch, I'm who they try to be. Pops picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day, put him down. But a war is no
15.1.
So if you started up, like, what would it do? Would it go up higher or what?
It got like 15.4.
Probably get a different demo than anything.
It's all about the same.
About the same.
Yeah, at the amp, when it's hitting, it don't even, because my amp's got a voltmeter on it, it don't even drop at the amp without it running.
So did you say you had diodes on the amp or what?
I've got one amp that's totally stock. It does the truck.
Right.
And then I got a external regulated amp alternator that's just the system.
Right, that's what I was asking. You gotta, okay, so it's regulated.
Yeah, it's got an external voltage regulator. I
Okay.
can turn it.
That's what I was asking. It's under the hood?
Yeah.
The blue box?
Yep.
Okay. That's what I was wondering. That's what I was wondering. So you keep it at like what, 15.4?
Yeah,
is
come
the
back
high?
up. Yeah. I used to keep it at 15.8, and the battery rests at 15.8. But during the summertime, when it gets hotter, that voltage started growing, and it got above 16. The amp cut off at 16.0, 16.1.
Okay, so what's running your mids and highs? This same?
Yep.
Okay, so the alternator's running the truck only.
Yep.
And you running that much on your mids and high amps?
Yep. Mids, highs, and sub amp.
Where is the mids and high amp?
Under the seat.
Where are they?
TARAMP 800 and TARAMP 400, but the 400 ain't hooked up.
Okay. I wonder like if you turn it up, like where would those mids and high amps clip at? You know what I mean?
Anything above 16, they don't like.
So the tar amp.
Yeah. When it got to 16.1, my TARAMP 8K went into protect.
But what
Just
about
turning
the
it on without
what about
turning it on.
okay? But what about the mids and high amps though? You don't know?
I ain't never tried it.
But you kind of keep it at 15.4.
15.4 is normally where it stays. See, it'll come back up now.
I see
Come
it.
back up.
Okay, cool. All right.
It don't matter whether it's running or we've been out here demoing since 9:30 this morning. You see the temp gauges
Right.
all the way on cold.
That's it.
I love them C-Mounts.
That's what I'm trying to buy.
All right, guys, check them out. 218s, 5K RMS apiece, and they got 2 more 8Ks back here. Gonna put on them eventually.
Next week.
Next week. Maybe we'll get a chance to get a demo again next time. I have to put all that on there.
I hope so.
In the meantime, hope y'all enjoyed the video.